Here's how you can choose whether notifications appear on the lock screen or don't show any notifications on the lock screen for apps found on your Poco X6, X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. When you're ready to make changes to these settings, use the quick access like this here and go into the settings toggle right there. Once in this section here, you'll want to go to where it says notifications and status bar right there. As you're here now, you'll notice there is a selection for different notifications appearances, and you have the lock screen one. So go to lock screen. And now that you're here, you have a master switch here. So tap right there, and you'll notice there's the option to either show everything or simply don't show anything at all. When you have it set to don't show at all and you come out of here, you'll notice that everything is basically not highlighted and turned off, which means no notifications will be shown on your screen. However, if you want notifications to appear on your screen for specific apps and you want to keep this on, leave this on by tapping on it and go back, and now you can go down the list of every app on your phone that you can turn off so that notifications won't show on your lock screen. So maybe, for example, you don't want notifications from Gmail to appear on your lock screen. I'll turn this off. And this means you'll still get notifications while you're on your home screen. You'll see it on the app itself, but notifications from Gmail will not show as you just receive a new notification from Gmail on the lock screen. That's what this setting does. So this is just for appearing on the lock screen. Now, if you do decide you want this again, you can come back here and go down the list and look for Gmail and simply turn it back on. And now messages for Gmail will start showing up again on your lock screen. And that's that, like and sub.